Welcome to another tutorial by WebTech Academy. So this is the Adobe Illustrator course where I will be your instructor for this course. So in the first part of this course, we'll be looking at the Adobe Illustrator interface. So to begin, let's go ahead and create a new Illustrator document. Now we have this panel which pops up for us to create a new document. So I'll be explaining the various parts here. So now here we need to set the heading of our document. I'll just name this class 1. Now we need to set the width. This when the width is equal to the height, it gives us a square document. Yeah, so in a square document, the width and height are basically equal. So yeah, you can go ahead and choose any dimension you wish. If you want to have a square document, you can go ahead and key in 1000 by 1000 or 2000 by 2000, but I will be taking 500 by 500 pixels. And here we set the scaling of the document. Here we see we have pixels, we have points, we have picas, inches, feet, inches, yard, millimeters, centimeters, meters. So you choose this based on the kind of project you are working on. Yeah, so projects which needs large printing, you will definitely have to choose centimeters. Or social media projects or something which goes for social media, you will basically choose the pixels or any of these above. So this is where we choose the scaling of the distance. Now if you are working on solely an A4 document where the width is not equal to the height, you have the opportunity to choose if you want the document to be portrait or you want it landscape. So these two icons are here to help you with that. If you want a portrait document, this is the first icon is for a portrait document, while this is for a landscape document. Now we have the artboard. Basically the artboard is where you'll be working on, where you'll be placing your objects, your items, your images and all the likes. So if you want only a single artboard, is go ahead and click one, or you can go ahead and increase it. So it's your choice on that. So yeah, for the color mode, basically the color mode, we choose the color mode based on the kind of thing we're working on. So if your work requires printing, it's the CMYK color. Yeah, because this is the suitable color mode for printing. If your work is to go for social media, you choose RGB. Yeah, so for the RGB color, it's the best. Your color pops when you post it on social media. Now for the raster effects, you can choose is you have 300, 150, and so this basically is the resolution. This will have 72 pixels, which is basically for smartphones. Designs that will be used for smartphones is good using this. If you have something which needs printing, which requires printing, you go for this. Yeah, for height, for 300, the high pixel stuff. Now let's see this. If you want to design something which will go for any phone like iPhone or anyone, you can go ahead and Adobe have created some presets document size which enables you to easily choose from them and start working. We have web. Yeah, if it's going for the web, we have some default sizes which Adobe has made available for us, but we all know for web is mostly this 120 by 10,018. But if your screen is different, you can go ahead and choose other options. For print media, we have letter, the A4. So yeah, you can go ahead and select anyone which is suitable for you, or film, video. So all of this, with all of that, just one. So this is the interface to create, to set your document size. This is to set your document size. So thank you for following the first part of this course. When you are done choosing all of what you wish, go ahead and click create. So thank you guys for following up. See you next class.